Good morning. I figured I would let you guys in on most of my morning routines. Unless I have to be in the office immediately, most of my mornings start like this. So we're in my basement now, which is insulated. It's not anything great, but it does okay. But on the side of the basement, we have what we call the workshop, where Eric has a bunch of his tools and he's cleared out a bunch of space for the dahlias for me. And that is not insulated, and it's where the bulkhead door is, which is really great because I can open that door if I need the air temperatures to be cooler. So let's go in and show you what I do first thing in the morning. Okay, so we're now in the workshop, and basically I just turn on the lights. There's not a lot of light in here, which is totally fine. And the first thing I do is I go and I check the temperature. So you can see all the dahlias I've already put away, and the temperature is 45 degrees with 35% humidity. That is such low humidity. I'm not even concerned about that because the way that I keep them in these crates keeps the humidity fantastic, and these create their own little humidity pockets inside once they're divided. So once I check the temperature, we're at 45 degrees, which is great. I'm actually going to open this door and just let it get colder, because, you know, it still has room to be cold, so let the cold air in. It's going to be cold today, and I don't know, I might shut it in a couple hours. The next thing I do is I grab one of these crates. These are all full of tubers, and I take it upstairs and I start dividing it. When you see here, I keep them in crates in trash bags. And in the beginning of the season, the trash bags are open and there's paper. In the first 2 to 4 weeks, I basically will change this paper if it gets moist. And then as they start to not die off, but as they stop off gassing, because they release a lot of moisture in the very beginning, I will actually take the trash bag and then I will cover it to create moisture and keep the humidity level really high. But in the first 2 to 4 weeks, I don't have to do that. I can just keep this open, and as long as I swap out this paper, it'll be fine. And here we go. Look at it. Look at those. They're beautiful. And they're already labeled. And then as I go through and divide them, I will individually label each one. And then they get washed again. And then they get dried for 24 hours so they can cure. And then they get put away into these guys and labeled. And that's my morning routine.